Hi guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today we have brought a very spectacular property, 4 BHK property in DLF phase 2 that is built up in 300 square yard. Let us look at the facade of this building. Guys, this is a zero maintenance property. You can see we have used a very beautiful combination of grey color tiles and a ACB sheet brown color. Guys, this is a very spacious property. If we talk about the location, it is very nearest to MG Road and next to DLF phase 2 metro station. Guys, without wasting any further time, let us look at our property. Guys, as you can see, we have come to the parking area of this property. You can see this is very spacious. You can see we have used grey color tiles. Wall to wall we have placed tiles, and you can see in flooring we have used granite. We will give you 2 designated car parking in this area and will provide you lift. Guys, let us go through our flat. Guys, now we have come to our flat. You can see this is a common cum dining area of this flat. You can see very beautiful fall ceiling has been done. And you can see in the flooring we have used Italian marble. Guys, without wasting any further time, let us go through our living room. Guys, this is a living room of this property. You can see this is very beautifully designed and made. You can see in the front wall we have used very beautiful grey color tiles, and beside that you can see we have used POP cladding. You can see there is Italian marble in the flooring and a very beautiful fall ceiling. Guys, beside that, this is the attached balcony of this property. Guys, you can see we have entered into a balcony. You can see this is a huge balcony and very spacious. You can see here we have used a very beautiful grey color texture, and we have provided here the SS glass railing. You can see this is a very beautifully designed and a very beautiful made. Guys, this spacious balcony is attached from our living room and first bedroom. So we will go to the first bedroom through a balcony. Guys, as you can see, we have come into our first bedroom. You can see this is very spacious bedroom. A proper 6x6 bed can be placed and a very huge bedroom. You can see there is a lot of movement space there. In this bedroom, we have attached washroom. Let us go through our attached washroom. Guys, you can see this is a very huge and a very spacious bathroom. You can see here we have provided you a different shower panel. You can see we have used diverters, spout and shower. We have used CP fittings of Grohe brand. You can see we have used diverter, ceiling shower and a spout, and you can see wall hanging WC sheet and a tabletop countertop basin with vanity. Guys, you can see in the front we have given you a glass finishing wardrobe. You can see this is a very spacious and a very beautiful wardrobe. You can see how beautifully this is designed. Guys, now we have come into our second bedroom. You can see this bedroom is also very spacious. You can see a proper 6x6 bed can be placed and a lot of movement spaces there. You can see we have provided wall-to-wall wardrobe here, a very beautiful white color wardrobe. You can see we have used grey color laminate inside. You can see this is your hanging area, a proper drawers. You can see a lot of space is there in your wardrobe. Guys, this is a 4 BHK property with 4 washrooms. So we have attached washroom from every room. Guys, let us look at the attached washroom. Guys, you can see we have come into our attached washroom. You can see how beautifully we have designed this bathroom. You can see a proper WC sheet and a basin and a shower panel is there. Guys, let us go to our third bedroom. Guys, before going to our third bedroom, let us look at a kitchen. You can see a kitchen is placed between two bedrooms. You can see this is a very spacious and a huge kitchen. A lot of space is there for working. You can see very beautiful white color kitchen. Guys, you can see there is a white color quartz and a built-in hob and chimney. And here you can see a built-in OTG and microwave. Beside that, you can see there is a proper pantry is given for small grocery essentials. You can see a side-by-side fridge can be placed here very easily, and a double bowl sink is here. This is a premium handleless kitchen with Innotek drawers fittings. You can see these are all soft close fittings. Guys, let us go to our third bedroom. Guys, now we have come to our third bedroom. You can see this is a very spacious third bedroom. You can see a proper fall ceiling is there, a very beautiful fall ceiling. You can see flooring of Italian marble. You can see a proper 6x6 bed can be placed and lot of movement space is there. You can see we have used a very beautiful brown color louvers beside bed. This bedroom also has an attached washroom. Let us go to our attached washroom. Guys, you can see all four bedrooms are very huge and very spacious. This washroom is also very spacious. You can see there is a proper shower area in this bathroom, a proper wall hanging WC, and a very beautiful wall mounted basin with vanity, and a very beautiful glass mirror is there. Guys, let us go through our fourth bedroom. Guys, now we have come into our fourth bedroom. You can see this bedroom is also very huge. A proper 6x6 bed can be placed here, and a lot of movement space is there. Guys, from both the bedrooms and kitchen, balcony is attached. So guys, now let us look at the attached washroom of this fourth bedroom. Guys, you can see a very beautiful beige color tiles is used here. A proper wall mounted WC is there, and a proper wall mounted basin with shower area. Guys, here you can see a proper wall to wall wardrobe is there. You can see this is very spacious wardrobe and a very beautifully designed. So guys, this is our 4 BHK very spacious and a very beautifully designed flat. These are independent builder plots that are located in DLF phase 2. Guys, if we talk about the location, all the market area, ambience malls, schools, marketplace, hospitals, all are very nearby to this property. Guys, if we talk about the surrounding area of this property, our surrounding area is very clean and very green. So guys, if you like this property, please comment on this video and please call on the number that is flashing on your screen.